So we have the woman, we have the federation, and you know committee. It really in this place, never could them this place. What happened?
No, obuzibu bwaliwo schedule yange yali tekwatagana na mirimu. Ate positions ezo ezimba oba ng'ogenda zitwala, you need to be sure nti ojja kubeerawo to serve. Okiraba kati ate nze nali nina byenkwasaganya bingi. So ningamba nti ekifo kyange mukiwa omuntu, and we can always stay in the sidelines, you know, and observe and advise where necessary.
Okay. Does it mean you are given a position that was also like giving a call?
No, they did. We actually tried. Twasooka ntukigezaako. Naye after some time nendabanga obudde bunnemesezza okwasaganya. Yeah, so nengamba kambeere wa mazima. Nsogendeko omuntu ali available asobola okukikola. So kubeerawo all the time. Kuba meetings zibeerayo nnyingi. Yeah.
Oba is it because abantu abasinga view okuvaamu n'ogaba muno nti ki byebimu ku bantu like the public olaba ne Juliana yabeesambye, olaba gundi yabeesambye, olaba gundi yabeesambye, like it's kind of charitable crisis. No, like the public you ekiraba nti it's kind of created crisis in the public abagamba olaba nawe wabeesambye.
No, nze kyali kyabudde nga sirina bulungi.
So how do you see the federation right now with the propaganda so the how do you see the federation?
Ogendayo naye nze okusinziira ku kyendaba ndaba progress, ndaba bakola, honestly ndaba bakola. Nze ndowooza tubawe chance, okitegeera. Nze mbadde ndudde okulaba okujjako mbadde ndudde okulaba abayimbi nga begasse over time ne babeerawo ne bawangala nga bakyali awo. Because usually we're very, very jumpy people, you know, you know. So it's impressive okubalaba nga bagezaako okulaba nga balina kye bakola. So Zendoza, let's give them a chance to do
then their clash with woman.
Engeri gye mbadde sigoberera nnyo clash ezo sala zikomentingako.
Okay. We have a growth mu bakyala. Recently tubali ne battle ya Cindy ne Shiba. How did you see it?
It was interesting to watch. It was interesting to watch. Asali, but it was interesting to watch. I love both of them, Akwano Bange and omanyi kati buli omu alina engeri gy'alabamu ebintu. I like the idea of, you see what that battle did, especially for Cindy, is it reminded people of her talent, her greatness, you know. But in the same spirit, during the campaign, the trolls for social media, and because they are women, I kind of felt for them. I don't know how they handle that because it's a lot of pressure. But again, bantu bakulu, wesalirawo kyoyagala. So, but I'm sure bagiyingira bamanyi ebigenda okujja. But musically, it was interesting to watch. Any competition is always fun to watch, right? But all in all, I see two strong women, you know, who are doing great for themselves.
Okay. In the artistic point of view, how did you see this battle? Was it healthy? Was it helping the industry?
It does, minus the exchanges that were going on. Yeah. I'm not sure what we're, you know, sending to the younger artists. However, it's a battle, right? So you expect yeah, so there's many ways to look at it, but at the end of the day, it's a business, and people went back home with their accounts smiling, and there's nothing better than that.
As this one was going on, memes started coming out. People started bringing suggestions into Juliana and Irene. But tell you battle.
Well, that's not my cup of tea.
Okay.
Because in my view, a battle means it's something you still have to prove. And I don't think nze ne Irene tuna kye tulina okubaprovingira buli omu ayinga buli omu wakabi. Why don't we just celebrate each other?
Okay.
Why does it always have to be battle? But like I said, buli omu ayina ekimukolera.
That's why the question comes in. If it's not a battle and you guys need to be celebrated, if it's not a battle, now we have to celebrate the two of you.
Celebration is always a good thing. Yeah, celebration is always a good thing, and there's so many ways we can celebrate music and musicians without the negative vibes that we add to it. Katinze, my issue is where people start to insult. Wakati chibao bafani be yaula. Omwali eno bafani ono bayuzo ono bano bayuzo. Kati, personally I find that toxic. Which take Nenga, if it's about celebration of music, a night of celebration of music and celebrating Ugandan divas, oh my God, I'd love to be a part of that. Yeah,
seeing Juliana and Irene on the stage,
and Irene and other women, which they did. Hey.
And we're saying this because you have been an item before.
Because we've been what?
Like we've been singing together. Item is kind of weird. Okay, singing together. It was about staging on the Mutuayo show.
Yeah, why not? I mean, which bachi tuchikoze Burundi tuchiproducing Burundi. Yeah.
Yes, wadde ku kya battle naye waliwo era battle egenda okuba maaso awo y'abasajja ensajja enwaŋŋuli Bebekulu ne Chameleone. Tulowooze nti gufuuse mugano emabega twalina Queen Shiba ne Cindy. This time round tugenda funa Chameleone ne Bebekulu. Tugambe nti kati gufuuse mugano.
It's the trend.
Semanyi, I don't know.
Is it always
mawulire nga atembuwali ekintu ekyali kijja, so I don't know, maybe people are jumping on it because it's a money maker. If you think about it from the business side, it is a money maker. So if you're looking to make money, yes, abantu bakyagadde bukyabakoledde. Yeah, so if the guys want to do it, ani abagaana. Yeah.
Nena otubuzeeko nnyo
kamuze kimu mukyalo Juliana abantu bagamba nti gomu ku bakyala basinga wano okuyimba abalina eddoboozi eddungi. Twagala otwawuli wakati wa talent n'omuntu gwe bayita survive yeeyo obweyiyanga mu industry wakabi naye nga yeeyiya.
Mujja kundeetera ebizibu. Buli omu alina ekintu kye. Kati kambabulire in entertainment waliwo kye bayita X factor, and X factor can be anything, not necessarily a voice. Naye ng'omuntu bw'ajja ayina ekintu tokitegeera, you can't even describe it with words, naye nga they just tokitegeera. But some people have that, and it doesn't make them less valuable than the other one because the other one has a better voice or a singing voice. Buli omu abeera alina kyaleeta on the table. Which is why in a way ekintu kya battle sometimes nze kinzibwala okutegeera because on what base are you using to send you a single? Do you get ng'ogyeko kale talent, what base? Because oli ajja kujja ku stage and maybe they have when they dance they're amazing. Okiraba oli najja ku stage nga bw'ayimba wakabi nnyo. So but like I said, it's a business. It's entertainment. It's a business. Vinyuma, ngena ngamunyumirwa. That's it.
Ndatuwonzeka. Osuubira nti music industry ekuze.
Music industry ekuze naye kyetaaga okulamu. I still feel, and this is for all of us, I feel like tetunaba making a new mark for continent, you know, and I don't know what the problem is. There can be many things combined, but for me it would be my dream. It may not even be me, but I'd love to see at least like 5 Ugandans in kyaliko African charts at the same time, you know.
Okay, we're making 61 years independence. You've mentioned this, and it came in my mind. If you look at South Africans perpetrating the Bagina to the world, Nigeria,